Hi, this is Brandon. I'm a suture specialist with Provider Prepared. In this video we're going to demonstrate closure of a three-cornered wound using a partial buried stitch. This stitch will typically start off just the same as a simple interrupted stitch. I'm going to start at this corner here and come through. I'm going to come out of the wound and reload my needle. Now at this point on this round apex portion of this wound is where the partial buried portion of this suture is going to be created. I'm going to enter through the other portion of the wound right here in line with my first stitch, and I'm going to bring the needle underneath and out on this portion, creating a loop of thread through the apex point of the wound. I'll reload my needle at this point. Come through the other wound margin in line over here and direct the needle coming out in relation to where I entered over here. At this point, this suture is ready to be tied with the knot crossing this portion of the wound. Again, in a typical instrument tie, starting with 2 loops of thread over my instrument and then tightening the suture down to approximate all 3 corners together. Again, being careful to not strangulate the wound edges, only to approximate them, and continuing with the typical instrument tie of interlocking knots.